Hello listeners, hello video viewers. Welcome to English with Alex channel. The topic number 16 is colors. Blue. The car is blue. Brown. The bear is brown. Black. The hat is black. Green. The tree is green. Gray. The mouse is gray. Orange. The pumpkin is orange. Pink. The flamingo is pink. Purple. The balloon is purple. Red. The pepper is red. Sky blue. The cloud is sky blue. Yellow. The sun is yellow. White. The sheep is white. Thank you for watching. Bye for now and see you next lesson.